So as you can see right here, I got sent a PayPal payment of $560, another one of $330. I got sent another payment of $600 directly to my PayPal account. Another payment I received of $490 to my PayPal account. What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here, coming at you from my home in Houston, Texas. And in this video, I'm going to share with you an opportunity that you can plug into that will allow you to make anywhere from $200, even up to $500 or more, simply working from home, 30 minutes to an hour a day, okay? Now, this opportunity, first off, is gonna include a link directly below in the description. At any time in this video, feel free to click that link and check out much more information, as well as go ahead and get started, because you can go ahead and do the same exact thing. Also, you wanna stick around to the very end of the video, because at the end of the video, I'm gonna share with you how you can access a $297 gift, a bonus private gift, completely free, just for sticking around to the end, so you definitely want to do that. Now, first off, who is this opportunity for and who is it not for? This opportunity is for anyone who has a consistent Wi-Fi connection. Okay, maybe you have a smartphone, a laptop, or a computer. You have to have one of those to be able to follow the simple blueprint, and also you have to be able to follow proven training. Now, how does this work? How was I making those payments that you saw in the beginning of the video? It's very, very simple. As you'll see at the link below, all we do is we simply copy and paste ads on social media, okay, sites like YouTube, sites like Facebook, Twitter, sites that you're probably on. We give you ads and formats that you simply paste to your profile. Anytime someone reaches out for information, you send the sales video on the sales website that you can check out when you click the link below. You'll get access to the same website when you join today. And every single time someone signs up through your link, you'll get paid directly to your PayPal account. So as long as you have a PayPal account, you have 30 minutes to an hour a day to follow our blueprint and post those ads. You can do this, okay? And you can succeed. Now, this is 2018, right? If you're not making money right now, you're heavily behind the 8 ball. But the good news is, when you take action and you go to the link below, you can transform that, okay? I don't care if you don't have any background. I don't care if you're in you're 18 years old and you've never done this, or maybe you're in your 70s and you just want to make extra income. If you can follow simple steps and you have a Wi-Fi connection and a PayPal account, you can do this, okay? I remember very quickly, I remember about a few years ago, I was slaving away at a restaurant called Chili's, okay? I was working as a waiter. I was making very small tips. I had just dropped out of college. I had no ambition, no hope, no future for myself, and I virtually went homeless. There was a day where I almost went out on the street because I didn't have any money. And I know what it's like to struggle. I know what it's like to feel that intense pain when you're having bill collectors calling and you're not able to truly live a life of your dreams. You're not able to travel. You're not able to give back to your spouse, your loved ones, your family. I know what that's like. So I want to help you change that just like I was able to change that. What I was going to share with you, the free gift for sticking around, is when you get started at the link below, what I'm going to do, and I don't do this often, I'm going to throw in over $297 of a bonus training. Now, this is for a very limited time. If you're watching this video, it's still up right now, then you're in luck. Congratulations. You can get access to this $297 worth of training. And what you're going to get access to is the exact step-by-step, over-the-shoulder daily routine that I do with this system that I personally use to be able to make those commissions you've seen throughout the video, okay? So you definitely want to take advantage of this bonus. All you have to do when you join is let me know at one of the links below. I'll shoot you the private link to the bonus training. You do get training with the system, but I'm going to share with you my proven private training, personal training on how I've been able to do this day after day after day, okay? So thanks for watching, my friend. Go ahead and click the link below if you're serious about change. It's 2018. You don't want to get left behind. I want to help you change your life like I've helped so many other people if you've seen on my channel.